Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a really secure encrypted email service which makes it perfect for keeping your emails private and safe. Make sure that you have the full version or the correct plan to access all of its features. So once you've signed into your account, what you will have to do is you will look for the inbox section. So for the inbox overview, you will just have to explore the main inbox, the folders, and the labels if you already have those already. And understanding this layout helps you to manage your emails more efficient. And if you would want to send your email, you will just have to click new image, which is right here, and then you will just have to compose your mail, and of course enter your recipient's email address or Proton address, and then of course the subject for your message. And then you could also attach your files or your pictures or whatever it is here. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you would want to organize your emails, you can use labels here. So it really depends on your it really depends on the layout of your screen, but uh there should be inbox folders and labels editor here if you already have your emails all set up here, and if you already have your emails again. And yeah, if you wanna search for emails, you can just use this search bar right here, and then you will just have to uh put the keywords or the subject so that you will be able to find the specific email. And yeah, that's basically just it. And again, you could also explore the app or the website for yourself so that you will be able to maximize all of its uses. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.